Do you want to start getting organized and decluttering, but you're so overwhelmed with all the stuff or the thoughts in your head that you don't even know where to start? I'm Monica Fay. I'm a declutter expert and professional organizer, and this is actually the trick I use with my clients when they are completely overwhelmed and don't know where to start. It's called the big brain scrub exercise. You might know this as brain dump, but I do it just a little bit differently than most people do. In the big brain scrub exercise, you're going to get a piece of paper and you're going to write down every thought. You're going to dump your brain onto it. But it's called a scrub because we're going to do stream of consciousness. You're not going to write in long sentences. You're not going to write like a diary. You're going to write it like a grocery list. Short, jotted down thoughts as quickly as you can, one right after another. Do not pause. Just any thought that comes into your mind, it goes down on the paper. Now, first it might come up as your to-dos and the things you're anxious about, all the things weighing on your mind that are in the forefront that you think about daily. Then it might move into dreams or plans, travel that you want to do, goals you have. Then it might move into nonsense, just words that are floating in your mind or memories you have or something that you're pissed about, you want to talk to somebody about or confront. Keep writing until your brain is blank. And you want it to be nothingness, no thingness. The reason this is important is it gives short-term temporary relief of your mind, all the things that are burdening you. And you get a little bit of that prime real estate back in your mind. Just for a little bit, this isn't permanent. You are not going to use this list as a to-do list. You are going to crumple it up and throw it away. This is just an exercise. If you do see things that you want to do, you're going to create a second list. You're going to circle the items that you want to move on to a to-do list, and you will create a separate exercise for that. This is only for the big brain scrub. And this will allow you to have a little space for just a little bit, and then you can get started with pulling out which activity you want to start with first, which area you want to organize first, which area you want to declutter first, because all the other thoughts are out of your mind just for a little bit. If you liked this tip and you want some more from me, let me know below and give me a follow, and I'm excited to organize, declutter, and let go with you. It's a good day to have a good day.